So I was excited to come down to the training to learn a myriad of things, some more setups, maybe some more combination of the modalities on blending things. The thing that I found valuable is the culture that Pulse is creating for PEMF. They're putting a lot more money back into the company, and they're furthering the PEMF, I don't want to say brand, but they're furthering Pulse brand. It's nice to see that. This center is phenomenal as far as professionalism. The education and the feedback you're getting from the instructors is fantastic, as well as the hands-on, and then also the interaction in between the other doctors who are using it is just as valuable. Unfortunately, we tend to stay in our own, and you end up doing the same pattern. I have so much to work on going back. I'm just can't wait to get back and get it started. So there's not just one piece, but the probably biggest takeaway is to work on my business more than in my business, and also to work on my PEMF business rather than in the PEMF business.